Hello.
Yes.
Is this Rajendra sir?
Yes.
Sir, myself Suraj calling from Kerala,
Yes, please.
and I have seen your YouTube channel and everything.
Yeah.
Sir, I have diabetes for past 10 years.
So what is your age?
My age right now is 42.
Height?
The height is 5'10". 5'10".
Weight?
Weight right now is 66 or something. 66, 65, 65.
And when you were first diagnosed with the blood sugar, what was the reading?
I was diagnosed with blood sugar on 2000. Not 2000, 2015 or something. 2015. Right now, the fasting blood sugar it comes around 200 something like that. If I was having the food and everything, after 1 hour, if I am taking the reading, it comes 300, 350 like that. So
What was the sugar?
Thing,
what was the sugar when it was first diagnosed? First, you said that you are having diabetes for the last 10 years, but you are saying that you were first diagnosed in 2015. So is it 5 years or 10 years?
Sorry. It's 10 years. 2020. Sorry, 2020.
2010.
It came. Sorry, 2010. Yeah, 2010 it came.
What was the reading at that time?
That time the reading was it's fasting. It comes 120, 150 like that.
And you immediately started medicine?
What?
After you were first diagnosed with diabetes, you started the medicine immediately?
No, I haven't started a medicine. Actually, I started the medicine after 4 years or something. 4 years, because initially doctor recommended to go for exercise and everything. I did the exercise and everything, but initially it was shown with a decreased rate, but gradually progress didn't came up.
So for how much period do you think your blood sugar had gone down after you started the exercise, and when it started increasing? After 6 months it started increasing, or after 1 year?
After 1 year, after 1 or 2 years, we started seeing increasing the blood sugar because of medicine.
How much it went?
Increasing like it comes 170, 200 like that.
Fasting?
Even fasting also it comes like that.
Okay.
Then after the food.
Okay. Now for the last 6 years, you are taking medicine continuously, or you take medicine and then give up?
No, sir. Right now I am continuously taking the medicine, morning and evening.
So for the last 6 years, you are continuously taking medicine?
Continuously, 6 years.
And your fasting sugar is coming how much? 180?
It comes fasting sugar right now. Today morning it's 200.
And how much is your exercise now?
Right now the exercise is very low. I'm not getting the time and all. And also I am feeling very tired. My joints and my body is having pain and everything.
How much water are you drinking per day?
Drinking the water intake is very low. Usually I used to drink water morning when I wake up. 1 glass water is there. Then in the afternoon along with the food time having 1 glass. Then at night maybe after the food or before food 1 or 2 glass. That much.
So that's all. You're taking in all 4 or 5 glasses only, or 3 or 4 glasses in a day?
Yeah. That's all.
How much is tea?
Tea morning and evening. Morning 1 glass. And after having 1 glass of water, I will have the tea. Morning 1 glass and evening 1 glass, 1 cup of tea.
So in terms of milliliter, how much is it? Is it 500 ml
or? Small cup, sir. Normal tea cup.
Morning also you take in the cup, or you said glass?
No, tea cup.
Okay, so about 400-500. Usually 1 cup is about 250 to 200. So about
Okay, okay, that's
400.
all. That's all.
So earlier you were taking more tea, like let us say 10 years
No,
back.
no, no. But as my parents having the diabetic, in my younger ages, I was very conscious and I won't take any sugar and tea and all. I was limited to sugar. I won't drink tea at all. Because after the presently, I started drinking the tea and all.
What about alcohol?
Alcohol, no. I
Al-
won't have alcohol.
Zero alcohol throughout your life. Never you have never taken alcohol.
Only once in a while or something like while I was in college days or something like that.
Sorry?
Because in college days, once in a while or two times I had alcohol. Other than that,
Total
I
how
haven't
much?
alcohol.
How many times you took alcohol in college time? One or two
In
times?
college
Or
times, how many times I took in my only 2 or 3 times only, sir. Two
How
or three
much?
times. That's a party, but that is 1 or 2 glass of
One or two
1 or 2
packs?
glasses. Capex, yeah.
Not much.
No, not much, not much.
So about 10 years back, how much was your water intake? Was it on the higher side or it was the lower side?
Actually, it was on the lower side.
Always it was on the lower side.
Yeah, lower side.
You have never tried to increase the water intake.
No, I never tried to increase the water intake because even if I try to increase, sometimes only that will causes me to vomiting temptation or something like that.
Sorry?
Vomiting temptation.
One?
If I am taking vomiting temptation.
Okay.
Vomiting temptation. So sometimes if I am feeling so tasty, I will take 2 or 3 glasses. That is not on a regular basis. Sometimes only.
Do you have enough space in the house to walk?
Yeah, I have enough space. Yes, sir. Yeah.
You are in software field.
I didn't get.
You are in software field.
No. Software. I'm in an automobile company. I'm working as in HR department. So every time a full working is in sitting only. It's very tension is also there. Because work is very hectic work. I'm in HR.
Okay. What time you leave for the office? What time you come back? And is it 5-day week or 6-day week?
It's 6 days in a week.
And what time you leave
And
house?
I leave house in the morning 8:30 because we have to be in office by 9 a.m. and evening time is up to 5:30. So I'll be reaching home by 6:30 or something.
Okay. So you usually stay at home after reaching house or you go out?
No, I stay at home only. Home only.
Okay. So do one thing. You start with the 15 times. You should walk for 5 minutes at a time within your house. What time you get up?
I get up nowadays. It's as I'm so much tired. I used to get up by 9. Right now, the lockdown is there, sir. So our working time is restricted to in a weekly 2 days.
Okay.
So rest of the days I am waking by 10 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 10:30 because morning 6 or 7 I will open my eyes, but I feel so much tired. So I will lay down in the bed and will wake up by 10 or 10:30.
Do you drink milk?
No, don't drink. But I used to drink milk in my from in my college days and all.
How much?
Some kids, how much? Daily 1 glass.
Not more than that.
No more than that.
Okay, so do one thing, stop drinking all milk and all tea.
Okay, sir.
That's one. So after
Okay.
you stop drinking tea, you might have a headache on second day or third day.
Okay, sir.
It will continue for 1 or 2 days or maybe 3 days in extreme cases.
Okay, sir.
Try to have 3 meals in a day. 8 o'clock, 2 o'clock and 8 o'clock.
Once, sir, 8 o'clock?
2 o'clock, 8 o'clock.
8 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 8 o'clock. What I have to do?
3 meals. Take food at 3 times. Breakfast, lunch and dinner at these times only.
8, 2 and 8. Okay,
Yeah.
sir. Okay.
And in between don't eat anything. No snacking, no tea, nothing. No biscuit.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Not even smallest one. That is one.
Mhm.
Second is
Okay.
get up early in the morning. Let us say 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock.
6 o'clock. Okay, sir.
Even whether you are going to office or not, after getting up in the morning, walk for 5 minutes and lie down in bed for 5 to 10 minutes.
Okay, sir.
So 6 times in the morning, same 6 times before sleeping. Do that. Besides that, try to walk for 5 minutes every 2 hours. Even if you are going to the office, if you are at home, then walk for 5 minutes every 1 hour.
Everyone, what type of work, sir? It's like
Simple walk within your house, not at a brisk pace, not at a very leisurely, just normal. When you are not in a hurry, whatever speed you will take that speed.
okay, sir.
And you don't have to
Sir,
tire yourself. If you feel very tired, instead of 5 minutes, do 3 or 4 minutes only.
okay. Walking or something like that. Is that
Wo-
kind of working or
Walk and rest. Walk for 5 minutes. Walking.
walk?
Chal,
Okay,
paidal.
walking. Okay,
Yes,
okay.
at the normal pace for 5 minutes only.
Okay, sir.
If you feel tired at 5 minutes, do it for 4 minutes only, but don't tire yourself.
Okay, sir.
Immediately after walking, lie down in bed for 5 minutes. So, in entire day, do it for 15 to 20 times. Initially, you might start slow, but try to make it up to 20 times in a day.
20 times in a day. Okay.
Yes, 20 times means
Okay.
like 5-6 times what you have to walk in morning at before sleeping. That is once only. Besides that, every 1 hour you walk for few minutes. And
Okay,
if you
sir.
are at work, you will sit down and or do your work after 5 minutes of work. If you are at home, it is your it is your off day or lockdown day. Then you lie down in bed immediately after walking. You should rest in bed at least for 5 minutes.
Okay. 5 minutes. Okay, sir.
And only 3 meals. And in case what is your meal size? How much do you eat? Do you think you are eating less these days because of diabetes?
So normally I am consuming less food. Yeah.
Increase it and have a normal food. Don't
Also, one more
restrict.
thing is,
Yes.
okay. Sir, I used to eat rice a lot. Rice.
Does not matter. Rice or any other food is not important. It is only the fluid which is creating the problem. So do one
The
thing.
food is creating a problem. Okay, sir.
Yeah, do one thing. Before every meal, 1 hour before every meal, take 1 glass of water.
1 glass water.
And 1 glass of water with the meal. After 5-6 days, try to take 2 glasses of water before the meal. 1 glass 2 hours before the meal, and 1 glass 1 hour before the meal, and 1 glass with the meal. Do that at least with one meal.
Okay, sir. Okay.
So you don't have to take water. And the best time for this 2 hour rule is in the morning. Because in the morning you can get up early. Even if you don't get up early, you just drink 1 glass of water and come down in bed. And then again after 1 hour, take 1 glass of water and whatever. If you can do walk and rest during that period, at least for 5 minutes, it's good. If you cannot, still better. In the morning before breakfast, have 1 glass of water 2 hours before meal, breakfast, and another glass of water 1 hour before the breakfast, and then 1 glass with this thing, and no tea. And so I hope within 2-3 days you will stabilize that. And I will send you the recording.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
I'll send you the recording, or you can hear it again, whatever I have mentioned. Okay.
Okay, sir. So I will do one thing. After doing all the things, I will inform you the progress and everything.
Yeah, inform the progress, and within 1 or 2 days, stop taking the medicines. After 2-3 days, stop taking the medicines. And in case you get the desired results after 1 month, if you feel that it has helped you, pay 1,000 rupees to me.
Sure, sir. Sure.
And do give the feedback, whether you get a negative thing, if it is causing increase in the blood sugar or whatever result is there, you have to give the feedback. Whether it is negative or positive is not important for me.
Okay, sir.
Even if you are not getting the results, then also you must call, so that at least I am not continuing the wrong thing with others.
Okay, sir. Okay, sure.
Okay.
Sir, this number I don't have WhatsApp number. My WhatsApp number is another number.
Send me.
Shall I send you. I will send you. My name is Suraj.
Okay.
Oh, thank you, sir.
Thank you.